Good morning from Universal Orlando. So this video is going to be about tips and tricks that you can use for yourself while you're at the parks. This video will be split into 2 days. Today we're going to go to Universal Studios, and then tomorrow we're going to go to Islands of Adventures. So tip number 1 is to always bring a poncho with you, because Miami weather or Florida weather, 1 minute is raining, the next minute the sun is out. So yeah, that's it. That is tip number 1. Always bring a poncho or something to get covered due to the rain. So trick number 2, that is the main entrance, but we're gonna go in through the other entrance that a lot of people don't know about. So yeah, I will show you. So the secret entrance to get in is gonna be right through here. This is it. You have to come in through this section, and then you pay right here. Tip number 3. This ride is called the Rip Ride Rockit roller coaster. You can choose the song you want to hear while you're on the ride. I will add a link below with codes that no one tells you about so that you can have a bigger music option. Tip number 4. Right before you enter the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, you will find this red photo booth. If you dial magic, you will be connected to the ministry from the Harry Potter film. Pretty cool. Tip number 5. Once you see this wall, don't be fooled thinking it's only a wall. It's actually the entrance to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, so make sure you don't pass it. Tip number 6. Make sure you buy a wand. Each building holds some sort of magic. Buy the wand and experience this awesome magical adventure. So, the way it works is you go into a store and you choose a wand. Or should I say, the wand chooses you. Tip number 7. Make sure you knock on one of these doors. If you do, someone will appear in one of the windows. Tip number 8. Make sure you look at the newspapers while you're in line at the Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey ride. Tip number 9. There's lockers in every ride. You have to leave your belongings in the locker before entering the ride. The lockers are quite small. They also have bigger lockers, but there will be a $2 fee to use them. So try not to bring such a big backpack with you. Tip number 10. The Men in Black ride are no longer offering the all experience. Before, you were able to go into the center floor and get a little tour of the property. Tip number 11. If you do decide to come to Universal Studios, try to come during April after spring break is over. The park was almost empty. We were able to get on all the rides, and the longest we waited in line was 30 minutes. Those are all the tips and tricks I have for you. I hope this video is helpful for you when you come and visit the parks. Please subscribe and comment. Till next time, bye!